Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my new shape, the Almond Extra Short. These are a half matte soft gel full nail cover. You guys have been asking me to bring an extra short almond to my nail shop, and they're finally here. So here's what they look like. I showed them in depth more in other videos, but if you're interested and you want some more in-depth pictures and size references, click the link in my bio. I have all the information in pictures and in the description on my Etsy shop. But as you can see, all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out to my nails and making sure that they fit wall to wall. So we're using polygel today. I haven't done a polygel nail video in a minute, so we're throwing it back. You know, I'm so used to using my solid nail tip glue gel, but today we're going to be using the soft pink polygel by Rosalind. This polygel is definitely not one of my favorites, I'll say. The polygel is very gooey. You get some polygels that are a little bit just like a thicker consistency than others. This one is very much gooey, but I love the color of it. So it's a love-hate relationship with this polygel. There are definitely some other ones like MAKARRT Puppy Love. That's a good dupe for this. And I believe Model Ones has some polygels that are a good dupe as well. But as you can see here, all I'm doing is going in and applying a small bead size amount to my nails. I'm making sure that I pat underneath the nails and also swiping the sides before curing. You want to make sure that the underneath of your nails are flat, because if you cure it when it's bumpy, it's just going to be very hard for you to go in and reduce the bulk. So I just recommend doing it before you even cure. Same thing with your cuticles. It's just a whole bunch of extra drilling and filing that's unnecessary if you just get it before you even cure. But yeah, I've done this method a million times. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I do have one linked down below. But I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply this polygel. Alright, so here's what they're looking like. We're going to go in now with this dispenser that I purchased off of Shein. I just have alcohol in here, and this is a lint-free wipe that I also purchased off of Shein. And I'm just going in and wiping my nails down. Here I'm using an 80/80 grit nail file. I purchased this from Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave the link to this down below. If you've never tried an 80/80 grit nail file, I say it all the time, definitely give it a try. We're so like used to using 100/180 grits that for a while, when I first started doing nails, I didn't know that there was anything better. But there is, and it's this right here. They have so many different grits, you know, pick and choose which one is your favorite. Personally, for me, I love 80/80. Alrighty, so for polish today, we're doing a really cute design. I found this inspo off of Pinterest. I always find my inspo off of like Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. I'll be sure to leave the pin down below so the creator can get credit. But as you can see, I'm just going in and applying a thin layer of this black gel polish. This is by Beetles. I'll also be sure to leave the Beetles polish down below. And if you're new to doing nails and you don't have a whole bunch of polishes, check out Beetles polish. They literally have kits of like 20 or 40 polishes, and yes, the bottles are small, but let's be real, how often are you going to be using lime green nail polish? Not that often. It comes in like the full rainbow effect of colors. I'll be sure to leave a link to some of my favorite kits down below, but they have like nudes, pinks, you know, basics, blues, greens, whatever you need, and they'll have like 20 to 40 in a kit for like 20 bucks. So if you're new to doing nails, definitely recommend giving Beetles polish a try. As you can see, I did 2 coats of this, and really, if you did a really good thick coat, you will only need 1. But as you can see, I'm just going here and wiping the sides before curing. That's a tip I learned, just to make sure that your nails are even and that it's not bulky on the sides. But I am going in and doing a second coat of that polish. Alrighty, so we're gonna use a top coat and top everything off. I topped off all my nails, but honestly, you don't have to. You could have just topped off the black ones, or you could have just waited and did the line design that I'm gonna do next and then use the matte top coat. But if you just want to do an extra layer, so be it. But the 2 I did on my ring finger and my middle finger were unnecessary. But yeah, I kind of did a little backwards. You'll see in a second. So I'm using this line nail art. This is like a stripe sticker that I purchased off of Amazon. And as you can see, I use these cuticle clippers to clip them. And I'm just going in and putting that straight down the center of my nails and doing my design. This is pretty self-explanatory, super easy to use. You just want to be sure that when using this, you always want to top it off, because it will come off of your nails if you don't top it off. So it's kind of tricky, because if you wanted to leave it matte and then leave the actual stripe design like shiny, I would recommend going in with a nail art brush, a thin nail art brush, and topping it off with like a clear top coat, because it can come off, not easily, but it can come off in washing your hands or whatever the case may be. You definitely kind of want to just seal it in. And that's where I was saying you could just go in and use the top coat after doing the stripe design, because as you can see, I went back in and I topped off those nails. So you could just wait and do all 5 of them after this design. All right, so these, guess where I got them from? Amazon. So I got these nail art rhinestones. These are silver, from Amazon, and also purchased this nail. This is called a drill point rhinestone gel. And if you do a lot of rhinestone application like me, you need it. It's an essential. It makes applying rhinestones so easy and so quick and fast. But as you can see, all I'm doing is going in, applying the rhinestones. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me finish applying bling and doing this design. Alrighty, so the nails are done. We're gonna go in with a cuticle oil. I'm gonna go in with, let's guess, I think I did citrus in this video. I did, okay. I'm going in with my scent citrus, and these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. These are ultra hydrating, natural hand-pressed flowers, cuticle oils. If you're interested, the link will be down below. I'm just going in and rolling that on the cuticles. But here's the final design. Absolutely love this nail look, and I absolutely love these new shapes. You guys were right. This extra short almond shape is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm super excited for this holiday season. I'm thinking about doing like a week where I just post a whole bunch of different tutorials on different holiday inspired nail looks, you know, snowflakes, Christmas time, whatever you celebrate, whatever your religion is, just kind of like a holiday winter overarching theme. So let me know if you guys are interested. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.